Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Little Dreamers stamp set, as well as the Countryside Corners dies, and the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. We're going to be making a cute project and showing you 4 more, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first off, we have our May host code. This code is to be used whenever your order is under $150, okay? So when you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax, and you use this host code, Honeybee Stamping Hive is going to send you a pack of the opaque ovals for free. I am also having a special just for May. When you place an order of $75 or more, I'm going to add on a sample package of this Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. It has 12 different sheets, so you get 24 designs in the sample pack. So these are the designs of the paper. Very cute. It has plenty of options for all your needs. It coordinates with a bunch of the different suites and other stamp sets and bundles in the catalog. So you can just put them together for coordination. Stampin' Up is very good at coordinating products. I love this one. Yeah. So this is a, in the catalog, this is a mega suite, not a mega suite, but a mega pack of paper. So you actually get 48 12 by 12 sheets of paper in this pack. So that's like 4 packs of designer series paper in one. So I'm just giving a sample pack if you spend $75 or more before shipping and tax and use this host code. So you'll be getting 2 things with the $75 purchase, but for $60, you'll just get the opaque ovals, okay? And lastly, we have our mystery boxes. Yes, I am still selling these mystery boxes. I have a lot of stuff to get rid of. Like I keep telling you guys, I am moving spaces to a much smaller space, so I don't have room to store all of my extra goodies. So I need to get rid of them. And I am selling these boxes for $40 each. That includes your shipping, and it's filled with new and used retired Stampin' Up products, shipped in the U.S. only. Everything is as is condition. And that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do. So I have a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to burnish this. This is the new bubble bath. And then I have some designer series paper here. We cut that at 2 by 5 1/4. And we're gonna just glue these down to our card base right away. Let's go ahead and get that done. I love the colors. Oh no, I need a new glue. This is empty. Hold please. Okay. So let's finish getting this stuck there. Oh, I always forget to be careful with the new glue. So much comes out. Okay, so this is going to be up here. Try to get it even borders on the 3 sides. And I'm going to try to quickly get this one on just in case we need to move the first one. I'm going to try to line these up. See, this one needs to go up a bit. Whoop, don't go under. Don't go under. There we go. Okay, that's taken care of. Oh, I don't know why I keep closing the glue. I do this every time. So next we have our inside piece. This is going to be 3.5 by 4 3/4. Then we have a 3/4 inch piece of designer series paper that we're going to cut down to 3.5. That's going to go right here on the side, leaving the tiniest bit of white on the edge there. And then we're going to do some stamping. Yes. So I am going to get my crushed curry ink pad. And we're going to stamp Little Baby Big Love. Right there. Just like that. Okay, so that's it for the stamping on this. Okay, so then we're going to take our paper snips and trim the extra designer series paper off. And we're going to put this on the inside of our card. Just like that. Try to get it straight. Make sure your straight is better than Shauna's straight. Okay, so now we have a little bit more stamping to do. So let's open our ink back up, because I don't know why I keep closing stuff knowing I need it. So we're going to take our sentiment that says, congratulations on your new little one, in the crushed curry again. And we're going to put that right here. Oh, that came out perfect. And then we're going to get the Tuxedo Memento black ink. And we're going to stamp an elephant. Cute little elephant. I love elephants. I have them all over my house. Like figurines and pictures of them. Vases. Salt and pepper shakers. That came out perfect too. Okay, so now we have that done. Let's go ahead and get some scrap paper so we can color our elephant. We're going to color this in light and dark smoky slate. So I'm going to take my light and color. I don't like using this tip. I was going to use it because it covers more space, but I like the smaller tip, the bullet tip better. Okay, now we're going to take our dark and we're just going to go over some of the lines. Just like that. And we'll call that done. Now we are going to fussy cut out our elephant. So let me separate. Actually, let's go ahead and die cut this with our Countryside Corners die. I'm using this, I think this is the smallest open frame die. So let's get out our baby boss. And we're going to line this up. Let me cut some more of this paper off here. I don't need all of that. We're going to line this up. Try to get it on here straight. Okay, I need to bring this closer to me. Okay, there we go. So now let's run this through. Okay, here's our die cut done. And now we're gonna fussy cut this, and I'll be back with this one because this is gonna take a minute. Okay, while I'm finished cutting up this, cutting out this elephant, I should tell you that the reason I'm cutting it out is because I did not purchase the dies. This stamp set comes with die, in a bundle with dies. You can either get it as a standalone stamp set or purchase it in a bundle with the dies and save 10%. But I did not get the dies because there's too many things on my wish list. So I just looked at this set and asked myself, is it simple enough just to cut the elephant out with scissors? And if it is, don't get the dies. Not just the elephant, but the other things too. Okay, but that's our elephant all cut out. And before the video, I went ahead and die cut using the next die up in size out of Bubble Bath so that we can layer our sentiment. So let's do that now. I'm gonna just layer that right on here in the center. Oop, oop. Let me see, is that center? And we're gonna put this on our card flat. Do I have Bubble Bath? Yeah, I do. Okay. I was thinking about some ribbon, but I don't want to put ribbon on this one. Try to get that straight on here, just like that. Then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals and pop up our elephant. I'm trying to move fast, and I know I'm not, but I'm trying. We're going to pop him up. Cute little elephant. Oh, one more should do it. And then we're going to add some embellishments, and I'll show you the other 4 cards that I made with the Little Dreamer stamp set. So let's see, I want the elephant right there. And we are going to be using the pastel Adhesive-Backed sequence. Now this is petal pink, but I think it goes very good with the Bubble Bath. Where's my take your pick tool? Okay. So where do we want these embellishments? Because I don't know. You guys always see me struggling to find a spot for my embellishments. I think that looks good. Let's get some small ones here. Ooh, let's put it like, ooh. I didn't really want it to be on the flower, but I wanted it to look like it was coming out the elephant's snout. Maybe I'll just stick it on the flower. Call it a day, huh? That is it for this card. Isn't that cute? I like that. That is super cute. Congratulations on your new little one. Yep, I like it. Okay, so let me show you the other versions of this card. And I say versions because they all basically have the same layout, just with different sheets of the same designer series paper. I use the same pack of paper to make all the cards, okay? So here we have this one. Super cute with the lion holding the star balloon. A Star is Born. And I love this paper with this stamp set because I was thinking of alphabet blocks. And I think this was designed to go with another set in the catalog. But because Stampin' Up's coordination is so good, I love it. Here I have the sheer ribbon combo pack. It comes in a pack of 3. This is the Bubble Bath color. And I use the Adhesive-Backed sequence trio pack for the sequence. And this die is from the Nested Essentials dies. Okay, that's the inside. Super cute. The next card we have is this one. Another Star is Born. That one. On this one I use the Stylish Shapes circles. Not circles, just dies, because there's circles and squares and such in there. But I also use the 2 3/8 circle punch. This is what I was trying to say. And this is the ombre matte decorative dots. This little chipmunk is so cute. And this is the inside for this one. Next we have Little Baby Big Love. And I use the same nested essential dies on this one as I used for this one because they have a bunch of different things in there. I used the brushed brass butterflies. Thought that was super cute. And I layered the sentiment on some Calypso coral to pop out the Calypso coral and the flowers here in this paper. And then our last one is with the cute cow. Look at that, it's so cute. And on this one, what are these? These are the Something Fancy dies. Even this little flower came from the Something Fancy dies. I think this is super cute. Look at him sleeping there. And this is another from the Ombre Decorative Matte Dots. And that's the inside. Those are the 5 cards that I made with this stamp set and the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper. Okay. This is, don't forget about the special with the host code. If you spend $75 or more, you get this sampler pack of paper plus the opaque ovals. Okay, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.